Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using plank wood from Dollar Tree as well as 2 stir sticks I got from Home Depot. I take 4 of the wooden planks from Dollar Tree, 2 get painted with dust colored chalk paint, 1 with mineral chalk paint, and the other with plaster. Those are all by Waverly. Next I'm taking these 1-inch letters I got from Amazon, painting them with that mineral color. I'm also using a couple small snowflakes. I add the letters as well as those snowflakes to one of the dusk colored ones. Just use some tape to get a straight line, and then apply all of those down with tacky glue. Once those are on there, I just go in with my heat tool and make sure that that is fully adhered. I take the pieces of plank wood and line them up, just trying to eyeball the spacing. And then I'm taking one of the stir sticks, so this will be on the back. I'm adding Gorilla Grip clear glue as well as hot glue on all 4 of those where that stir stick will be touching. And then place it down and just line it up with the edge. I do the same thing on the other side. Next on the back, I'll be adding this twine. I'm using a staple to attach it to either side and adding hot glue on top of that. And then just cutting away the excess, making sure the end is in that hot glue. And then take that same twine and wrap it around the salt shaker I got from Dollar General. And then just tie a couple of knots and trim that up. I'm also taking another small snowflake, adding tacky glue to that, and placing that on the jar. Next, I'm taking this greenery and I'm putting a few things together in a bunch and adding some twine around it and wrapping it around the stems all the way down to the bottom. Adding hot glue to keep that in place on that bottom and wrapping it back up a little bit, hot gluing it and cutting away the excess. Next, I'm taking that Gorilla Grip glue and adding it to the back of the salt shaker, as well as some hot glue, placing it on the bottom piece of plank wood, and then adding in that pick. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.